Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, Xepher and I are doing a PO unboxing. Yay! I've seen a bunch of these videos, but I still don't really know how to film one, so I'm just gonna wing it. I didn't watch any before this, so...
This is our raw emotion
Raw.
and reaction to your amazing gifts.
Yeah. Me and Xepher have already went and opened the P.O. box one time. It was like the first week it was open. So we do have a bunch of letters and a couple little gifts that we have already been through. My fault being I didn't keep like the names with the envelope, so I get very disorganized. I don't know who said what with what, but we still do have every letter, every gift, and we're gonna hang everything up on the wall today in this video too, along with the things that we have not opened, which we will be opening for this video. I know, me too. I'm excited too. Let me go grab it.
Drum roll.
Ugh. Okay, we got a few things this time.
Woo!
Let's open it up. So this first one, do not bend. It is a little bent. It
Just
says
slightly. It's not like creased though.
Yeah. It doesn't have a name on it. There's probably a name inside, so let's just see. Do you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Oh. Thank you, Tiffany.
Thank you, Tiffany.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, so pretty.
And it's laminated.
Xepher.
Wow, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, there's another one in here. Oh, it's
Hey!
me. Oh my god, that's so good. And it's laminated. Wow. Oh my gosh, Tiffany, thank you so much. Oh, and more. Thank you. So sweet. Aw. What's the letter
From
say?
Australia.
I want to read. Oh, Tiffany, your mom does makeup. That's so cool. I'll definitely be checking out her Instagram.
And she's doing a cosmetic course for her certificate too.
Oh, crap. Yes, Tiffany. Oh my
you.
gosh. Thank you so much. Wow. Can't wait to put this on the wall.
Heck yeah.
Set that aside.
Fragile. Oh. Ooh. Oh.
What was that? What just fell?
Little toothpick flags.
Oh, what's on that?
It looks Dutch or something.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
This is what's on it. I don't know if you can see. It's like two little
And
kids
a little
kissing.
flag.
Little flags. Oh, so cute.
Hi Xepher, here is the glass art I made for you. Hope it didn't break in the mail. Wow.
Who's it from?
Morel, aka Just a Dutch Girl.
Aww, Morel.
This is so cute. Oh my god.
Is this the glass thing?
I
Oh my
think
god, open
so.
it.
Wow.
I'm so like anxious. Open
Yeah.
it. Here, I'm gonna move this box.
Oh my gosh, wait. This is so cool.
No way, Xepher!
Wow.
Oh my god, show it up close.
This is so sick.
Oh, you have to hang that up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you gonna put it up here? You're gonna hang it in your room.
I have no idea. I'm scared to like, cause it's glass. I don't want it to like fall or anything.
Yeah.
I might like hang it above my desk or something. So it like, if it does fall a little bit, it'll like be on my desk. This is so cool. I remember seeing this on Twitter.
That is dope.
This is amazing.
I want to put out a single so I can have one. All right, next thing. This one. Me.
Ooh.
Doesn't say who it's from on the outside. Oh wait, is this a love book from? Oh my gosh!
This is so cute.
Oh my gosh! Is this what I think it is? I literally have seen these. Happy birthday! Love you so much, Allie. Oh my gosh! Is this me and you? You guys, look! I created this book to tell you all the reasons why I love you.
Stop.
You literally made me a whole book. Oh my gosh, Allie. There's literally a whole book of like pictures of like me and Allie. Look.
Oh my god.
I love your honesty. Those shoes are kind of ugly, bro. Me.
Literally.
This is the cutest thing I have ever seen.
I have never seen one of these before.
Allie, you are the love of my life. This is the sweetest thing.
This is a nice book too.
Allie, I'm just like, my heart is like mush. Thank you, I love it. Thank you so much. I don't know if, I'm not gonna hang that on the wall because it's a book. I'm gonna put that like in my room. I cannot open letters to save my life. Look at that. I just like mutilated that. Oh my god, it's a drawing. Thank you so much. A beautiful self-portrait. Or not self, a portrait of me. No, I didn't draw this. Can't draw that. And a cute little letter. Oh, thank you, Tony. I love you so much. You were so sweet. Here, you wanna open this one, Zephyr?
Yeah.
This is, what is this?
Ooh, that looks like a coaster or something.
Is this a coaster?
Oh my god!
Everlight.
Oh.
Oh my, this is for Griffin. Where is Griffin?
What's up?
Someone made you a coaster.
Look.
Oh, sick.
That's so
Wow.
sick. Show it up close.
Hey.
Whoa.
Let's go.
I think they made that.
Yeah, this is sick.
That's
Wow.
so awesome. All right, this one.
Oh my gosh. What?
That is gorgeous.
This is crazy.
Oh my god, look, mine has like little gold flakes in it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much.
These are so dope.
That is so
And look at the
cool.
fonts. Like, they're so us. Wow.
How did you do this?
Look at like the depth in there.
Look at all them
I
sticking
know.
up. Here, show them if you can see the colors like. Whoa.
Wow.
Who sent this? Hey, me and my sister have a small resin business on Etsy and we have been watching you guys' videos for a while. So we figured we would send you some custom things for you to enjoy. Much love. I'll put their names on the screen. But yeah, guys,
Not
go
showing,
check out
but yeah.
their resin business because this is
These are
freaking crazy.
cool.
This matches my room too.
And
I'm
these
so
colors
happy.
are like perfect for us.
I love that. I'm obsessed with this.
Wow.
Holy
These are my
crap.
favorite colors.
Yeah. How did you guys do that?
Thank you so much. We love you. Oh my god, I can't wait to
Wow.
like set this up on my desk.
I know.
Okay, you wanna open this one,
Oh
Zephyr?
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Griffin, you got another one.
I did?
Yeah. 2 yam boy.
Oh, hell yeah.
You wanna show them the picture?
Oh
It's
yeah.
it's a sliced yam.
It's beautiful. Aren't EM sweet potatoes?
Pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Dev. Ah!
Oh, thank you, Maddie.
Oh, Maddie, this is so freaking cute. Look
my
at that.
gosh.
Oh my god, that's gonna look so cute on the wall.
I know.
Ah, look at next to each other.
Yeah.
What if there's like some eyes right behind the wolf
true.
like that? Thank you, Maddie. We love you so much. You're so sweet, so talented.
I think
Any more?
it's just the last one there.
All right, last one is the big boy. Here we go. And then this is from Leah. Thank you, Leah. I guess we'll just rip it open. It already kind of started it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's pink inside. I'm already happy.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, Leah! Leah!
Thank you. Ooh.
Look, she made us little things. That is so little things. She made us little like
Paintings.
Paintings. I couldn't think of the word. This is so cool. Thank
Wow,
you.
thank you.
Dude, I'm so excited to hang all
These
this
are
stuff
so
up. This is
sick.
gonna look so good.
Wow.
Love that. Thank you. What else is in here?
Okay, we have little flying chickens.
Flying
Amazing.
chickens.
Bath bombs. Are you
Bath
kidding me?
bombs.
I'm gonna
Yes.
die. I'm going to die. I've been wanting a bath bomb so bad.
And a whoopee.
Oh my god. Hello Kitty marshmallows.
Aww. I
These
love.
are so cute.
Oh wait, there's letters. There's letters.
Oh my god. Baby earrings.
What?
Wait. Oh wait, no, they're not earrings. They're for Ryuk and Navi.
Oh wait, this is Zephyr. This one's for you.
These are for Ryuk and Navi. I think they're little clip-ons for their collar.
Oh, so cute.
Oh my god. What's this? Silly sludge.
Here, there's like letters right
Oh.
here. Glow sticks. I call the pink one. I definitely call the pink one. Oh my god, this is
thank
so
you.
cute. What is that in this? Is this slime?
I think so. It's like sludge.
I want to touch it now.
I know.
And then there's candy.
We're gonna be eating this for the rest of the week.
Wow, thank you, Leah, so much. This was such a fun box to open. Thank you,
Wow.
everybody.
Yeah, thank
so
you.
much for sending us all this stuff. So now the next step is we're gonna start decorating our wall. You guys guys' wall, basically. Yeah, again, I want to put a big thank you, and let's just hop into doing that really quick. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to have anything on our wall or like to see anything on our wall, or if you have anything you would just like me and Xepher to see or send us or whatever it is, just send it to our P.O. box. It is pinned on both of our Twitter accounts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really loved it. It really made my heart all like soft and fuzzy seeing all this stuff from you guys and reading all the super sweet letters. It's like, yeah, this is starting to look awesome. We're so excited.
Thank you for helping us make a wall.
Yeah, it adds some like decoration to our apartments, like one of the only decorations in here right now.
Yeah.
So. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Xepher and follow her on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. Don't forget to subscribe to me as well and turn my post notifications on so you know when I post. And be sure to follow me on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram as well. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.